I made this in about 30 seconds. It's mediocre. Actually, mediocre is generous. It's lazy, low effort, and honestly, I wouldn't watch this. And I'm the one who made it. I am fully aware that I am not a talented content creator. I never claimed to be. And yet, this is the kind of content thousands of so-called experts are telling you is the key to your success. I've started and sold 3 companies. In business, if you don't have product market fit, a decent strategy, and a massive amount of luck, you fail. Period. But in the creator world, if you fail, they tell you it's because you didn't hustle hard enough, or your thumbnail wasn't perfect. I spend hours analyzing AI tools because it's genuinely interesting. I know how they work. They are probabilistic engines. They predict the next likely word or pixel based on a massive dataset. They are tools, not magic. They don't have vision, and they certainly don't guarantee success. This creator space is exactly like the fitness industry. Everyone is looking for the perfect workout plan, the secret supplement, the system that guarantees a transformation. But the reality, most gurus are just people who hit the genetic lottery or got lucky with timing. They're selling you a map that only worked for them because of a dozen factors they won't even mention. And here is what really bothers me. People have stopped thinking critically. They hear something from someone with a camera and a confident voice, and suddenly it's the absolute truth. No questions asked. No proof required. Their personal interpretation becomes fact. That's not just naive, it's dangerous. Think about it. Do you believe in UFOs? Does anyone actually know for a fact whether they exist or not? What about God? Is he real? Until someone shows me the blueprints, actual verifiable evidence, I'm going to remain skeptical. That's not being negative. That's being intelligent. The same applies to every guru, every expert, every person telling you they have the secret. Ask yourself, where is the proof? What's their source? Are they selling you a map, or are they just describing the route they happen to take? Most people are not meant to be content creators. That's not a failure. That's just life. You have a right to spend your time doing whatever you find interesting. If you enjoy making this stuff, do it. But don't mistake content creation for a guaranteed path to success. Don't bet your future on a system that might just be a lottery ticket. Stay awesome. Peace.